Congratulations on your purchase of FlexShade Zip Motorized Shades by Draper Incorporated. This video will cover methods for mounting the Headbox at the installation site. For instructions on preparing your site for installation, please see the previous instructional video in this series. Please watch the entire video carefully before beginning this particular part of the installation process. You can download a more detailed PDF version of these instructions at draperinc.com. Here's an important note. It is the installer's responsibility to use the appropriate fasteners for the mounting surface. Draper is not responsible for the use of incorrect fasteners. To mount the headbox on a wall or ceiling using cassette brackets, simply attach the cassette brackets to the mounting surface using number 10 flathead screws. It is the installer's responsibility to choose the length of number 10 flathead screws appropriate for the mounting surface. The mounting brackets must be installed level with each other. Be sure to drive the screws in flush with the bracket. For wall mounting, you will need to use at least 2 of the top mounting holes on each bracket. For ceiling mounting, you must use all 4 mounting holes on each bracket. Once the brackets are affixed to the mounting surface, attach the headbox to the brackets and tighten the set screws. You are now ready to mount side channels. If you need further assistance, please contact your dealer or call Draper Inc. at 765-987-7999.